Alu. Yeah. I greet you now special. Hello, good day wherever you are watching this video for. Listen, I am from Africa, Nigeria to be precisely. I am from Nigeria. Like you guys, you always say, most especially the European world, the Americans, you always say Nigeria is the giant of Africa. Yeah, we agree with you guys that Nigeria is the giant of Africa. But recently, some certain things begins to go abnormal. Some certain things are not normal. Now let me begin to count it. Let me talk particularly about my country and the relationship with the international world. To start with, the European world are not encouraging the less privileged ones there in Nigeria. Why do I say this? Our leaders, our rulers, they will steal the things that are supposed to be used for the less privileged ones to use to put the country in place. They will steal it from the country, bring it to the European world, the Americans, the United Kingdom. Then you guys will keep these things for them. A lot of complaining has been coming out from the masses, the injustice, the brutality. You guys never kept, you always keep quiet about something like that. You always wait for something to get out of hand before you start coming to the rescue of the less privileged ones. Fine. Okay, now you guys have been seeing it in different kind of news. What is happening there in Nigeria? Nobody's saying anything. The other time I was listening to Lai Mohammed when he was being interviewed, when he was being called to order by the United Nations, it was very clear that according to his name, he was lying and lying. Even the interviewer, the guy that was interviewing him, the man, noticed it. Up to now, there is nothing being done about it. The Amnesty there in Nigeria, the United Nations, the organizations that are there overseeing the problem, they've been bringing out a lot of reports to you guys. Up to now, there is nothing has been done about it. Then now again, because the head of Boko Haram has been declared wanted by the Americans, they have now come up with another trick now, deploying themselves into different forests around the country, planning to lay attack, planning to attack. A lot of confession has come out. Up to now, there is nothing that has been done about it. Then the loot of Abacha, the money Abacha stole from Nigeria, that bank with the Americans or whichever bank, I don't care to know, a lot has been coming back. Instead of returning this money to those that are still stealing this same money and returning it back to you guys, why not just use this money to do something good for the country? You return first one, we didn't get account for it. You return second one, there was no account for it. Instead of returning these things, the country don't have light, give them light. The country don't have good road, give them road. The country don't even have good water to drink, give them water to drink. Stop returning the loot to the same people that will still steal this money and bring it back to you guys. If you really want to help Africa, Nigeria to be precise, then help us in the way that we should appreciate it. And stop encouraging our leaders to keep doing, ensure they are repeating the stealing. This one steal, bank it with the European world. The European world return it to whosoever come in. The same person. Is it an agreement? If it is an agreement, can't you people think of the less privileged ones and find the permanent and lasting solution to that? Please, this message, I want it to go to the ears of those that are in charge of assisting these criminals, these so-called Nigerian, they are dictators, they are not rulers, they are not leaders. Because a ruler will be able to know that, yes, he needs a straight line to do things normal. A leader should be able to lead his people, but they are not of those kind. They are dictators. They dictate what to happen. Imagine, you guys are keeping quiet so that if we come to the stage like Libya, Nigeria is too big for that. Okay, look at Nnamdi Kanu, been fighting for freedom for his people for ages now. Instead of giving them what it takes for them to have their independence, no, you guys are just the... Oh, pardon, to connect. Oh, pardon, okay, pardon, pardon de quoi? That is the inquisitive you are talking about. They want to see everything you as a black man is doing. Even when they see what you're doing, for them to encourage you, give you the light of it, they want to use your own thing, use your, man, think twice, the Western world, and treat us like your own. Been getting vaccine, testing it in Africa. You guys doesn't give a harm without expecting something in returns. I mean, they give us a good harm and expect our respect in return. We've cried out a lot. It is our time you guys, the Western world, the leaders, assist us, most especially the Nigeria, which you guys call the giant of Africa. I'll leave you for now. Goodbye.